Hold up. What I'm about to tell you is going to completely change how you think about cinema cameras. Sony has just dropped the FX2, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's one of the most groundbreaking camera releases we've seen in the past decade. We're talking about a camera so powerful, so feature-packed, and so precision-engineered, it's going to send shockwaves through the entire film and content creation industry. When I first saw the FX2 specs, I had to double-check. They're that wild. This isn't just an upgrade. It's Sony taking the gloves off and rewriting the rules of what's possible in compact cinema gear. In this video, I'm breaking down every jaw-dropping detail of the new FX2, from its mind-blowing image capabilities to the pro-level video tools packed into this beast. And hey, if you live for cutting-edge camera news, deep gear breakdowns, and next-level filmmaking tools, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because you're not going to want to miss what's coming next. The Sony FX2 carries forward the cinema line DNA that filmmakers have come to respect. Compact, rugged, and purpose-built for video. At first glance, it shares the minimalist, boxy aesthetic of its sibling, the FX3. But closer inspection reveals refinements tailored to professional workflows. The chassis is constructed from a lightweight magnesium alloy, striking a balance between portability and durability. At just over 700 grams, it's small enough to carry all day, yet robust enough for demanding production environments. Sony has further enhanced the weather sealing, making the FX2 resistant to dust and moisture. A must for outdoor shooters. The body is bristling with 1/4 20 mounting points, allowing for quick attachment of monitors, microphones, cages, or gimbals without extra rigging. The button layout is streamlined but highly customizable, ensuring that frequently used functions are always at your fingertips. A redesigned cooling system with an active fan enables extended recording without overheating, a feature that indie filmmakers and event shooters will appreciate. The top handle, which comes bundled, includes professional XLR inputs, giving you high-quality audio recording directly into the camera. Meanwhile, the rear LCD is a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen with improved brightness and touch responsiveness, perfect for vlogging setups or low-angle cinematography. While the FX2 doesn't include a traditional EVF, in keeping with its cinema-first design, its focus tools, waveforms, and monitoring aids ensure reliable on-set usability. In short, the FX2 doesn't try to mimic hybrid still bodies. Instead, it's a filmmaker's camera, designed around real production needs, offering a rugged, flexible, and efficient design that thrives whether handheld or rigged. At the heart of the Sony FX2 is a newly developed 33-megapixel full-frame CMOS Exmor-R sensor, engineered specifically for high-end video production. Unlike sensors designed primarily for still photography, this chip is purpose-built to excel in motion capture, with a strong emphasis on fast readout speeds, wide dynamic range, and superior low-light sensitivity. Paired with Sony's powerful Bionz XDAR image processor, the FX2 delivers oversampled 6.2K footage that is beautifully downsampled to 4K, resulting in images that are incredibly sharp, detailed, and cinematic. One of the FX2's most impressive strengths is its dynamic range. Sony claims over 15 stops, and real-world testing confirms that the camera retains exceptional highlight and shadow detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether filming under bright midday sun or in dimly lit interiors, the FX2 maintains tonal balance and preserves critical image information without crushing blacks or clipping highlights. Rolling shutter performance has also seen significant improvements. Thanks to the sensor's rapid readout, motion distortion is greatly minimized, making handheld panning and fast-moving action appear natural and distortion-free. This is a major benefit for documentary shooters, gimbal operators, and run-and-gun filmmakers. Low light capability is another area where the FX2 shines. Utilizing Sony's dual-base ISO architecture, the camera produces clean, usable footage even beyond ISO 12800. Noise is impressively well controlled, and when it does appear, it has a pleasing filmic texture rather than harsh digital grain. Color rendition is equally refined. Skin tones look natural and flattering straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy color grading in post. For filmmakers, this translates to more efficient workflows and greater creative freedom. In short, the Sony FX2 sensor and processing pipeline make it a powerful tool for serious cinematography. Sony's color science has greatly evolved over the past decade, and the FX2 benefits directly from these updates. Inspired by its cinema line counterparts like the FX6, FX9, and Venice 2, this compact camera offers high-end cinematic color in a smaller, more versatile form. It comes equipped with Sony's renowned S-Cinetone profile, designed to produce filmic tones with minimal grading. With gentle highlight roll-off, natural contrast, and accurate skin tones, S-Cinetone helps achieve a polished cinematic look straight from the camera. This is especially useful for projects with tight timelines, such as corporate videos, documentaries, or social media content, where quick, beautiful results are essential. For projects needing more creative control, the FX2 supports S-Log3 and S-Gamut 3.Sin, providing a wide dynamic range and extensive color space. This offers maximum post-production flexibility and allows seamless integration with higher-end Sony systems in multi-camera setups. Whether used as a B camera or C camera on demanding shoots, its color rendering matches the larger cinema line rigs, ensuring consistent look across the entire production. Sony has also improved LUT management, enabling users to import and apply custom LUTs directly in camera for monitoring or recording. This feature allows cinematographers to preview their desired look on set, aiding in exposure and creative decisions from the start. For documentarians and run-and-gun shooters, this speeds up turnaround time by delivering a near-final image directly in camera. Meanwhile, narrative filmmakers gain the ability to fine-tune every detail in post-production. Overall, the system balances quick results with creative depth, catering to fast-paced creators and cinematic storytellers alike. One of Sony's most consistent strengths across its recent lineup carries directly into the FX2, its industry-leading autofocus system. Built on Sony's latest AI-driven subject recognition technology, the FX2 takes tracking performance to the next level. Whether it's locking onto people, animals, vehicles, or objects, the system does so with uncanny precision and reliability. Eye detection remains sticky and accurate, even in dim or challenging lighting conditions, which is a huge advantage for solo shooters who don't have the luxury of a dedicated focus puller. This allows operators to trust the camera fully, freeing them to concentrate on framing, movement, and storytelling without worrying that their subject will drift out of focus. The near edge-to-edge autofocus coverage across the sensor further enhances creative freedom, making it possible to place subjects anywhere in the frame while still maintaining tack-sharp results. For documentary filmmakers, wedding videographers, or event shooters who often deal with unpredictable environments, this reliability is nothing short of a lifesaver. Importantly, Sony hasn't forgotten about filmmakers who prefer manual focus. The FX2 offers enhanced focus tools such as improved focus peaking, magnification options, and even autofocus assist, which blends the accuracy of AI with the control of manual focusing. This hybrid approach means creators can tailor the focusing method to the demands of the moment. Although primarily designed as a video-first machine, the FX2 is also capable of capturing high-speed still bursts when needed, adding flexibility for hybrid creators. Sony has also refined its menu system, adopting the more modern, streamlined layout found in its latest professional models. The fully touch-driven interface makes navigating settings fast, intuitive, and production-friendly. Coupled with strong battery life, USB-C PD fast charging, and external power support, the FX2 proves itself as a nimble yet fully production-ready tool for today's filmmakers. The Sony FX2 establishes itself as a true powerhouse in the compact cinema camera space, with video performance that rivals much larger and more expensive systems. At its core, the FX2 records 4K video at up to 120 frames per second without any crop, providing creators with buttery smooth slow-motion footage and uncompromising detail. For maximum image quality, Sony has included 6.2K oversampling to 4K, ensuring remarkable sharpness and clarity across every frame. Color science and recording flexibility are equally impressive. The FX2 supports 10-bit 4:2 internal recording, providing wide latitude for grading and precise color reproduction. For professionals demanding even higher quality, the camera outputs 16-bit RAW over HDMI to external recorders. With additional support for ALL-I and XAVC-SI codecs, the FX2 caters to workflows ranging from indie filmmaking to broadcast-grade production. Stability is another strength. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS system, combined with active mode, allows for steady handheld shooting. Sony also integrates digital gyro metadata, which can be refined further in post-production through Catalyst software, producing incredibly stable footage without the need for gimbals. What truly sets the FX2 apart, however, is its forward-thinking connectivity. Through USB-C, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet adapters, it supports LAN IP workflows, including live streaming, FTP file transfers, and remote monitoring. These features were once exclusive to high-end broadcast systems, but Sony has now brought them to a compact, lightweight cinema camera. For independent filmmakers, content creators, live streamers, journalists, and production teams, the FX2 is not just a camera, it's a fully connected creative hub. By merging professional cinema imaging with modern network integration, Sony has created a tool that is not only versatile, but also future-ready, making the FX2 one of the standout cameras of the year.